This code can help you. Problem 1. Read integers from the file input.txt, knowing that the first line is an integer representing the number of integers to read. The second line is a sequence of integers to read. Example, input.txt. Requirement: find the largest element in the array of integers and write it to the file output.txt. Problem 2. Read integers from the file input.txt, knowing that there is only one line containing the integers. Example, input.txt. Requirement: find the Armstrong numbers in that array of integers and write them to the file output.txt. Problem 3. Read integers from the file input.txt, knowing that there is only one line containing the integers, and each integer is separated by a comma. Example, input.txt. Requirement: the file gcd.txt stores one integer, which is the greatest common divisor of all elements in the array. The file lcm.txt stores one integer, which is the least common multiple of all elements in the array. Problem 4. Data in the file input.txt consists of the following information. First line, the number of fractions. The following lines. Each line contains information about one fraction. Requirements: 1. Simplify the fractions and save them to the file simplifiedfractions.txt. 2. Find the largest fraction. The result should be written to the file output.txt. Example, input.txt. Output.txt. Problem 5. The format in the student.txt file is as follows. The first line contains information about one student. Full name, student ID, date of birth, a string in day, month, year format. The second line is the number of subjects. The following lines are plus list of subjects and corresponding grades. Example, student.txt. Requirements: 1. Read data from the student.txt file. 2. Enter a student's name and print to the screen the information of the student whose name matches the name being searched for. 3. Save to the file birthyear.txt the information of students whose birth year YYYY is entered from the keyboard. 4. Save to the file greatestgrade.txt the information of each student and the subject with the highest grade for each student. 5. Read data from the file greatestgrade.txt and save to the file count.txt the total number of subjects currently available for all students.